Hi, welcome to another video guys. Today's video is about two pasta recipes which I usually prepare at home. One is a typical Indian masala and the other with a bit of Italian. Starting with the Indian masala pasta, for that in a hot pan adding some oil. Then adding one bay leaf and two cardamoms, and then goes the onions. Sort it really well after adding enough of salt. Then goes in the ginger garlic paste and some green chilies and curry leaves. Then I added chopped tomatoes. This is basically like a normal chicken biryani masala. After this has been properly cooked, I added the marinated chicken which has been marinated in Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the video of marination. Added a little more chili powder since the amount I added during marination was not sufficient, and also some garam masala. And then closed and cooked for chicken. It took around 10 minutes for the chicken and masala to get properly cooked, and finally added some kasuri methi and the masala for the macaroni is done. Then cooking macaroni in water by putting some salt and a little of oil. After 10 minutes, I checked whether it's done and then drained all the water. In between, I removed 3 pieces of chicken in some macaroni for my little one so that he don't eat much spicy. I mix it in bowl and added some mozzarella cheese. He loves cheese in most dishes. So that is a cheesy macaroni for him ready. Now the final part of mixing everything together, the cooked macaronis and the masala. Now going to the second one, pink sauce chicken pasta. For this, I am cutting chicken into a little long stripes because I am taking penny pasta. But the shape of chicken doesn't actually matter, you can cut it in any way. Then adding a little salt and pepper and keeping aside. First, I am starting with the preparation of white sauce. For this, I added a little butter in a hot pan. Butter melts completely, adding some finely chopped garlics and a small piece of onion finely chopped. After sauteing garlic and onion for 1 or 2 minutes, I added a piece of chicken stock. You may avoid this, but this can add a more flavor to the white sauce prepared. Then goes in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. After sauteing it for 1 or 2 minutes, I added 1 cup of milk. Stir it until the sauce becomes thick consistency. I added some red chili flakes. You can add it according to your spice level or even can avoid it. And the required consistency is reached and the white sauce is ready. Keeping it aside, I prepared the masala next, adding some oil in a hot pan. Then added the salt and pepper marinated chicken into it and cook well. When the chicken is cooked, I added ginger and garlic, which is finely chopped. Finely chopped ginger and garlic can taste more in this dish than the ginger garlic paste. Then goes in half an onion and one small tomato finely chopped. A little extra salt for veggies. Then adding all the vegetables. This is a frozen mixed veg available here and some broccolis. You can add any vegetables available like carrot, green peas, beans, broccoli, etc. Then time for some yummy sauces. A little of soy sauce, red chili sauce and some tomato sauce. Also a little of red chili powder for the red color masala. Close and cook at least for 5 minutes for the vegetables. When the masala is done, pouring the already prepared white sauce into this masala and mix really well so that the color gets into pink. The mixture of white sauce and red sauce is actually called pink sauce. And there goes the very easy pink sauce masala ready. Now the mixing time. Cook this pasta similarly like the previous dish and now mixing the both pasta and masala together. Pink sauce pasta is ready. You can serve it at this point, but for me a little cheesy twist is required. For that, in a pan, I am adding mozzarella cheese in the first layer, then goes in the pasta. That is like layering cheese and pasta one by one. And then heating it in a very low flame for about 10 minutes and the cheesy pan-baked pasta, pink sauce pasta is ready. Do give it a try guys, it's really yummy. See you with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.